so that every one of us, mahali umetoka, you adopt a school, so that utupeleke kwa shule yenu ya kwenu. PS Mojaji alitupeleka kwa shule yao jana ya Ura. We worked on there. So if every one of these professionals tunaenda kwa shule ya kwenu, we will change the lives of our people and the lives of our children. Number two, help children. I am aware, but every one, abana mbali situ gaiga no nyinguru girango gaiga, abande bale university ba to Kongo, waka na chifisi. Oso wanatali boyo. So professionals, I'm asking you, let us also adopt those children. Because you see, if every one of us took 2-3 of those children, mheshimiwa kutoka CTF hawapea kidogo na sisi tuwapea kidogo, na botora kinyi sa kuigo to sako tigera ngaki injini ya watu wako na maika bacha ku criticize members of parliament kuma ide mchume ga yera CTF and so on and so forth. That is not leadership, that is weakness. Let us work together because it will take all of us to get there. So mheshimiwa anasukuma kidogo na sisi tunasukuma kidogo na yule mwingine anasukuma kidogo, ultimately tokinya abantu abekera abantu abonzi bina abantu nonye nintu munatoleka kesa wige ogereto ikirega ozo wanatali boyo no maneno to siseni enjera yoka turaira nimbi yamonezi nyasaye is also by helping others. I agree with what Mheshimiwa Simba said. Professor, I think at the right time, I will not comment on this so much today. We need to have a conversation on parenting in our country and discipline in our schools. And tusiwachie mambo hii kwa serikali, government. Hapana, it's work that we need to do. We have buried our heads in the sand for too long, especially from the point of view of parenting. If you want to know the challenges that we have with parenting in this country, talk to school principals. In fact, I believe that other than those of us in the security sector, the school principals are some of the people who have the toughest jobs in this country. Ayabana bawo kababere osabata to bawo anigo baka kwaso akiro meme. Then school ko goru emu ki abana 2000 to principal ya this school. To principal ya girls. 2000 girls, 2000 boys and so on. And then to our discipline, to look at many of us parents don't even spend enough time with our children. I think we need a national conversation on parenting.